So for our first contract, 3 Desert Eagle Hypnotics. We'll also put in a Knight, and we'll put in a Cinquader, which is, of course, in factory new. So hopefully anything we get out of this contract will also be in factory new. Let's get the rest of our Desert Eagle Hypnotics in here. And this is what it's going to look like. A grand total of 20% for a sick orb, either the Dragon Lore or the Prince, and an 80% to get the Orb Lightning Strike, which would be a huge, huge rip. These Knights are so incredibly expensive. In fact, every item that I'm adding that isn't a Desert Eagle Hypnotic is just incredibly expensive. I think I got them for about $700 each, so I'm really, really hoping that at least one of these 20% contracts hits. First one up, I can feel my heart is beating a little bit harder than normal. Let's go for the 20% decent orb, Orb Dragon Lore or Orb Prince. Don't show me a lightning strike, please. Oh. Oh, what? I was not expecting that at all. I saw the orb and then I was like, that's a lightning strike. I was expecting to be disappointed, but that is incredible. Factory new as well. Let's go.